How to make a reggaeton beat. Okay, first the tempo like this. Pretty drum kit, reggaeton loops. Select a loop. This library are on my page, so click here, clone this track, kick and snare. Okay, first with this knob cook the sample for the kick. That is the kick. Once again cook the sample and the kick too. This is the kick too, this is the snare. Okay, okay, that is the kick, and the snare is this. Yeah, that is the sounds for my reggaeton. So first the kick here and the kick to here, sound like this. And the snare here, here, and here, and here, sound like this. Nice. So clone steps, and we have the drums. Now okay, this like that, and now at the melodies here on my presets, select this, plug it, open this piano roll, and here select the scale of the song. In this case minor or major, I will use minor. Select the note, for example E5, mark current scale, and make the accords. These 3 notes sounds on the same time. Just use the white notes, okay? Now duplicate this with a lead. Like this, copy, paste. Okay, now in the plugin, Ctrl A for select all notes and duplicate with Shift. Ctrl A, alright, Ctrl A. And we get the accords like this, okay, with this form. So when you have this, and add more river for the plugins. Part 1 river. Here is the effect. Okay, I like that. So open piano roll of the leads and make a melody. Okay, that is the melody. Control for duplicate this and drag, and this some like this. Okay, now you can add the bass on this section bass. Copy the melody bass. With control and down the octave. Okay, this is the bass, and just control and drag for the drums, and this is the beat of reggaeton. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.